Hello, I'm Michael Komorn of Komorn Law PLC, and I'm part of the legal team at Autism is Biomedical. Today, I'm addressing an important issue that directly impacts children with autism and other non-speaking individuals about the use of spelling-based communication methods in schools, such as spelling to communicate, also known as S2C. These methods are life-changing for many children, offering them a powerful way to express their thoughts and needs. However, despite the proven benefits of S2C, opposition from influential organizations like ASHA or the American Speech Language Hearing Association has created barriers for families. On behalf of Autism is Biomedical, I'll explain why federal law protects your child's right to access these tools and how we can help advocate for them. What is ASHA and why do they oppose S2C? ASHA, or the American Speech Language Hearing Association, is a professional organization that provides guidelines for speech and language therapy. Unfortunately, ASHA has actively opposed spelling-based communication methods like S2C, labeling them as lacking scientific validity. This has led many schools to deny support for S2C and similar methods, often using ASHA's stance as justification. The impact of ASHA's opposition goes beyond just professional opinions. Many insurance companies base their reimbursement decisions on ASHA's guidelines, and schools often adopt ASHA's endorsed methods when designing individualized education programs, also known as IEPs. This dynamic sidelines S2C and leaves non-speaking children without access to the communication tools they need and or may benefit from. How does ASHA's influence affects schools and students? ASHA's recommendations have become a default framework for schools, creating systematic resistance to methods like S2C. This has left countless families fighting uphill battles to secure accommodations for their children. Schools will argue that S2C isn't approved, but the argument doesn't hold up when examined under federal law. The reality is that refusing to support effective communication methods is not just bad policy, it can constitute a violation of your child's federally protected rights. That's where Autism is Biomedical and my legal advocacy can help out. The Americans with Disability Act, ADA, and your child's rights. The American with Disabilities Act, the ADA, is a cornerstone of federal laws. It is designed to prevent discrimination against individuals with disabilities. Under Title II of the ADA, public schools are legally required to provide reasonable accommodations, ensuring that students with disabilities have equal access to education. Additionally, Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act reinforces this by mandating that schools must support students' needs, including effective communication methods. Denying a child's access to S2C or similar spelling-based methods could be considered a failure to provide reasonable accommodations, violating both the ADA and Section 504. More specifically, the ADA outlines schools' responsibilities to ensure effective communication for students with disabilities. For non-speaking students, this includes supporting tools like S2C. If a school refuses to allow your child to use these methods, it is not just neglecting their educational needs, it is violating federal law. How Autism is Biomedical can help. Autism is Biomedical is committed to ensuring every child has access to the tools they need to thrive. If your school refuses to support S2C, my firm, Komorn Law PLC, will step in on behalf of Autism is Biomedical to advocate for your child's rights. We can draft a formal letter to your school outlining the specific legal requirements under the ADA and Section 504, emphasizing how their denial of accommodations violates federal law. If the school does not comply, we are prepared to escalate the matter to the Department of Justice to ensure your child's rights are protected. With the ADA in Section 504 on your side, you are not alone in this fight. Closing. If your family is facing resistance to S2C or other spelling-based communication methods, Autism is Biomedical is here to help. Together with Komorn Law, PLC, we will advocate for your child and ensure they receive the support they are entitled to under federal law. Please don't hesitate to reach out. We are ready to stand with you and your child every step of the way. Thank you.